District code test number 1. Ready? Start. It is contended by the plaintiffs that the suit property is a joint family property of the plaintiff and defendant number 1. It is not disputed that the suit property is came in the share of defendant number 1 through Mahadev Vishwanath Gadve. The plaintiff only contended that the suit property is the joint family property and therefore they having undivided share therein. Furthermore, the plaintiff are claiming that the sale deed dated 10 December 2020 executed by defendant number 1 in favor of defendant number 2 is not binding on their share. On perusal of the pleading, it appears that defendant number 2 very specifically contended that the other legal heirs of Mahadev Gadve transferred their share in favor of defendant number 1 by registered sale deed. The city survey extract also supported the said fact that Parvati Bai Gadve and two others sold the suit property to defendant number 1 on 20 September 2005 white registered sale deed number 3433 and thereafter the property muted in the name of defendant number 1 in the city survey record. The plaintiffs neither mentioned the said fact nor clarified that the share of the other legal heirs in the suit property were purchased by defendant number 1 or not. According to the plaintiff, the said transaction occurred without paying any consideration amount, but so far as the transaction between other legal heirs of Mahadev and defendant number 1 is concerned, the same is recorded and the consideration amount is also mentioned in the sale deed and on the basis of which the name of defendant number 1 is recorded in city survey record. The contention regarding the said transaction being null and void required to be established on merit. Mere oral contentions of the plaintiff regarding the transaction dated 20 September 2005 cannot be accepted at this juncture. The transaction is the registered one and has the presumption of its existence. Section 92 of the Indian Evidence Act bars the oral evidence contrary to the documents in existence unless there is any ambiguity or collateral agreement. Therefore, no contrary view can be taken at this stage regarding the transaction. The suit property seems to be purchased by the defendant number 1 from other legal heirs of Mahadev Gadve. No doubt defendant number 1 is also having his share therein. At the most, the plaintiffs can claim their share from the exclusive share of defendant number 1 which he got after the demise of Mahadev Gadve. The plaintiffs are claiming the entire suit property as a joint family property, but no such documentary evidence filed on record. Defendant number 1 has already executed the sale deed of the suit property in favor of defendant number 2 who has purchased the said property by paying the consideration amount of rupees 8,20,000. The plaintiff also claiming that the said transaction is bogus one and no consideration amount paid for the said transaction, said contention of the plaintiff is also requires to be considered on merit. The bare submission without there being any supporting documents of evidence cannot be accepted. Defendant number 2 had submitted that the consideration amount paid through two checks and the check numbers and the amount duly mentioned in the sale deed. The payment of check amount is also acknowledged by defendant number 1. Admittedly, plaintiff number 1 has no knowledge about the said transaction. Therefore, the contention regarding non-payment of consideration amount cannot be accepted. Para. The entire contention of the plaintiff number 1 is based on the fact that the sued property is the joint family property to which no supporting evidence filed on record. Defendant number 2 has purchased the sued property from defendant number 1 who has rightly to dispose of the same. Under such circumstances, I do not find prima facie case in favor of the plaintiff to restrain defendant number 2. The plaintiff have failed to establish the prima facie case as well as the balance of convenience in their favor. Therefore, I answer print numbers 1 to 3 in the negative, and in answer to print number 4, I pass the